Hello, how's everybody doing? I don't think I've done one of these before. This is from Burman. It's a Pyas coin. Half lion, half dragon. We have company. Hello Vivi, what are you doing? So it's quite a small coin, it's about the same size as a UK sixpence. So, in my mind, where they had the Civil War many moons ago. Right, small coin, small punch. Another beautiful day as it's plus 14. Getting close to shorts weather. And thank you for your kind comments yesterday. Appreciate it. Yeah, I think I've got it sorted out. Right. And I'd like to thank my latest couple of subscribers. Thank you for hitting that button for me. If you are new to the channel and you'd like to give me some support, I'd appreciate it. You can hit the subscribe button, the like button, and if you're feeling really generous, how about sharing it? This is Big Bertha, my 20-ton hydraulic press. And she's getting a bit excited again. She's leaking all over the place. God. Still, it keeps working. Right. Vivi, what are you doing? A cat's on the other table. Hey, what are you up to? What's about 30, well, probably 30 years ago, 25 years ago, I was doing a lot of building ships, and one of the jobs we got was in Germany, and it was a riverboat. I suppose it is like a really long riverboat. And that was off to Germany, called the not Germany, Burma. That was called the Rotomandalay. That was the best ship I'd ever done. The crack was amazing. Right, this is Christy Burr, and this just cleans up that edge. Okie dokie. Where's my lighter gone? Yeah, the deburring and the kneading part of the videos, I'm trying to shorten up a little bit. My girlfriend managed to take up about 7 or 8 minutes of that video yesterday. I mean, obviously it's still in there, but you know, instead of it being like a minute, 2 minutes long, deburring or heating it up, it just she cuts out a bit of it. Right, and I think there's not much going on there, but this side. So I use this side, sunny side up on the ring. This is a 17-degree folding die. I'll go over to Big Red. Straighten up a little bit. Right. Clean up the edge. I think I'll have the same problem trying to get this on top of a spike. Let's have a look. I'm just trying to make the hole a bit bigger. It's the trouble with these small coins. I mean, this is tiny, tiny. Bit fit now. Nope. How about now? Yes. I'm just trying to get it started, and I'll take you over there. See, that's the trouble I'm having. It just won't get started. Nearly. Yes. That took some time, didn't it? I think this is the smallest ring I've ever made. Right, let's show it a bit of love with Bernie. Give it a bit more. It didn't take much, did it? So thin. This is probably going to be for a really young girl or young boy or young man or young lady. Young man. Right. Let's go back over to Spike again. This is going to be a small ring. Oh, it's going to split. I think that's as much as I want to do it. There's no bow in it. We just want to straighten it up a bit more. So, go to the bottom end of the spike. Look with the BDI, yeah, it looks good. There doesn't seem to be any lip in there. It looks like there is, but I can't grab it with my nail. Okay, let's just quickly run it round. So it looks like there is something in there, but not much, whatever it is. There you go. Right, let's break out. Gorgeous as ever, Kate Bush. So if you're from Burma, and you're looking for a ring, it's a small ring though. I think I need Have I got one? There's a bit there. This cake bush is too big to go in, so I use a well-used one. Let's give it a bit of polish. Got felt and jolling. Right, what we got? Yeah, it's going quite nice. But it's tiny. Tinier than a tiny thing. I'd say this is the smallest ring I've done. It could even be used as a toe ring if you wanted. I could split it and do that for you. Right, let's get the clean cloth. There you go. So if you're Burma and you're looking for a coin ring, I have one. What size have we got? Have I got my... Yeah, here we go. Right, this, and you always measure from the reeded side, this is milled and it's a bit hoochie coochie coo. So this is a size, EU size, 48.5, or American size, 5. No, 4.5. So yeah, dinky little finger, not even maybe, but it fits that finger perfectly. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and catch you tomorrow, God willing. So bye bye.